Welcome to in this new video. In this video we are going to study about applications of biotechnology. Applications of biotechnology are very large, that means they are used in agriculture, medicines, therapy, gene therapy or insecticides or etc. So in this video we are going to study about how plants make their own insecticides, and this is the application of biotechnology. If you want to know all this information about this, you have to watch this video completely, in which we are going to study about Bt toxin and Bt cotton and how Bt toxin works. So watch this video completely and subscribe to our channel, will be incredible.
So let's move to our point, that is plants with their own insecticides. So in biotechnology we have studied that we insert foreign DNA into the plant cells, animal cells or in bacteria cells to get our desired product. But in this procedure we insert a gene which is resistant to insects into the plant so that plants can resist insects. This insect resistance gene produce endotoxin which is dangerous for the some specific insects. Example of this is endotoxin of Bacillus thuringiensis. That means this endotoxin is extracted from Bacillus thuringiensis, and this endotoxin is formed by cryogene. That means cryogenes produce endotoxin which is extracted from Bacillus thuringiensis. It is an important point with respect to the exams because in this point many questions are formed. So this Bacillus thuringiensis bacteria is also a occasional diet of those insects which damage the plants. So this bacteria adopt a technique to kill those insects by producing endotoxin with the help of cryogen, and this cryogen we insert into the plant. Now if insect eat the plant or damage the plant, endotoxin which is present in the plant make pores in mid-gut of the insects so that insect die due to starvation. This is an important point also with respect to the exam because in this point many exams are also formed in the exams. So you have to remember that insects die due to starvation. Pores are made in the mid-gut of the insects and Bacillus thuringiensis, cryogene and these points. Now we gonna study about that how endotoxin do not damage the plant but damage the insect. For this purpose we have to study properties of endotoxin. That is, this actives in alkaline medium. That means endotoxin is dangerous for insects only in alkaline medium. It activates in alkaline medium. It is inactive in plants so that plants do not get damaged from this endotoxin, and also called Bt toxin. This endotoxin is also called Bt toxin because it is extracted from Bacillus thuringiensis. And the last point is Bt toxin is used in cotton, corn, rice, tomato, potato, etc. plants. So it is a best example for this. That so the question arises is that is Bt toxin is only used in cotton plant or used in other plants too? So the answer is it is also used in other plants too. And why Bt toxin or endotoxin is activated in insects? Because endotoxin get alkaline medium inside the insect, so it get activated and kill that insect. Now we are going to study about genes which produce endotoxin or toxins for other insects. For this we know gene Cry1AC gene which is for cotton bollworm, and again Cry gene 1AB, that means this is for corn borer. So these two are also an important point with respect to the exams. These two can be asked in exams too. So if you like this video, if you watched this video, please subscribe to our channel, will be incredible. I have already watched that many videos in my YouTube channel are watched by non-subscriber people. So please subscribe to my channel, will be grateful.